Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. The problem number 135. How to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a pentagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its corners of the base such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equal inclinations with HP. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis of the pyramid is inclined to HP at 40 degrees and to VP at 30 degrees. So here you have the final solution. So first we need to start with the initial position. So to do that, first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits, specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point at the rate 297 less than 0, at the rate 210 less than 90, at the rate 297 less than 180 and say close. Then go to zoom, extends, zoom 0.6x. Now we go for a polygon command. First we'll go for layer, click on new layer, type the layer by name x5, enter, click the name on new layer, type the layer by name axis, then you click on new layer, type the layer by name locus, click on new, type the layer by name FE, front view, click on new, type the layer by name top view, TV, click on the new layer, type the layer by name front view, hidden, enter, click the top view, hidden. So these are the layers which I need to create. Then go to line weight, make that layer as 0.05. Then XY line will be having 0.13. Then axis line will going to have 0.05. Then the locus line will going to have 0.05. And the front view will going to be of 0.5. And the top view will also have 0.5. Then front view hidden will going to be of 0.3, okay, and the top view will also be equal to 0.3. Then we go to the top view hidden, click on the line type as continuous, click on load. First we'll go to center, okay, then click on load, type the by name hidden H, okay, then click on load, select this dash dot and say okay. Now we want the hidden line type, you just click on hidden and say OK. And similarly, front view, hidden, click on this hidden line type, OK. Then locus, you're going to have dash dot, click on this and say OK. And the axis line, we're going to have center, say OK. Then we go for axis line color, click on magenta, OK. Then the front view will going to have red color, okay, and the top view will going to have blue color, okay. Then front view hidden will going to be red again. Then the top view will going to be blue color, okay. So this is how we are going to take the different layer, line types and line weights. Now we go for polygon command. So command is polygon. So we need to go for 25 mm length. So take the number of sides as 5 and go to edge option. So you select this and you take the distance as 25. Then go to line, take INT of this and take the midpoint of opposite edge, which is this. Then go to line, take INT of this and take the midpoint of the opposite edge, which is this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection point of this, then go to INT of this, then go to line, take INT of this with reference to this. Then you select these things, go to layer, make that as top view. Then you just go to line, draw a horizontal line and then go to offset. So the distance what I need to offset is 50. So go to offset, take the distance as 50. So you select this line and offset it here. Then go to line, take int of this. So you take perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. And then from here you join to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. And then take int of this now. Similarly line, take int of this, take perpendicular to this, and then int of this now. Then go to fillet between these two, and similarly fillet between these two. And then go to erase this line. Then go to break this till here. Then you select this, go to layer, make that layer as axis and take this as 10 mm. Then you just click on this, you click on these two. Then go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now you just go to line weight display, then go to copy, select this entire thing and copy to the next position. Then you just go to rotate, select this and take this intersection point with reference to this, take 50 degrees. So then go to move previous and you move it here. Then we have, and you write the front view for top view for this. Then to do that, so you just go to line, take int of this and you draw a line and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then you just go to fillet between these two now. Similarly you just go to line, take int of this, and which are those two lines. So take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then you just go to fillet between this line and this line. Then go to line, take int of this and then go to erase this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line, and then go to zoom window. Now you just go to line, take int of this and intersection of this, then intersection of this, then you take intersection of this and then int of this, then take int of this and then take int of this. So similarly then take int of this and intersection of this and then intersection of this. Now then just go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, take int of this and say @. Now we have all these things. Now we go for all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible. That is, this point and this edge is nearer to the observer. Click on this, go to top view. Once you do that, then this line and this line and this line, all these two visible edges can never cross each other. So since these two edges are invisible, so obviously this edge is also invisible. So it is in top view, hidden. Then go to 20. So then you just go to this, go to layer, make that layer as axis line and you take it as 5. So once you do that, now we have this. Then you just go to zoom previous, then go to line, take intersection of this and draw a horizontal line, and again from here you draw one more line of any distance. Now we need to go for DDIM, modify, break the precision as up to second decimal point, text height as 3, align with dimension line, centered becomes above, take offset from the dimension line as 3, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and go to lines, takes offset from the origin as 3, and say OK and say close. Now we have zoom window, then go to dim and take intersection point of this and take INT of this. So you're going to get it as 38.30. Now we have line, take nearest point on this. So here, so the angle is 30 degrees to VP. So to do that, at the rate 100 less than minus 30 degree, then go to circle. So here the height is 50. So go to circle, take nearest point on this, take the radius as 50. Then you just go to break this circle here and also on this side and remove this arc. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line, and go to circle, take center of this and take the radius as 38.30. Then go to break this till here, and from here you break this, and then go to erase, then you erase this line. Then similarly you just go to copy, select this entire sketch and go to intersection point of this and take center of this line. Then go to rotate this entire thing and take a base point INT of this and take the reference and take INT of this and take end point of this, and that end point should come on this intersection point. Now once you get this, then go to break this till here and you break this till here. Now you have this, then go to layer, make that layer as locus layer, and then you make it 5. Once you do that, now you have a break this here, then move this entire thing and switch off this and place it wherever you want. Now once you have this, now we need to write the front view. So to do that, go to line, take intersection point of this and then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Once you have this, then go to line, take intersection point of this and then draw a horizontal vector, and from here draw perpendicular to this and then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then again go to line, take INT of this and then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this and this. Similarly line, take INT of this and from here line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this and then INT of this and then intersection of this and then INT of this. Now similarly INT of this and then go to end point of this line. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this and then INT of this. Then go to line, take INT of this and take int of this line and then int of this line. Then go to break this line till first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now you go for all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible, that is this line and this line. Since two edges are visible, naturally the third edge is also becomes visible. So you have front view. Once you get this, and two visible edges can never cross each other, so obviously these two edges will going to be front view hidden, and then you make this as 15 mm. Once you do that, now we have the axis line. Select this and go to this and make this as axis line and take this as 10 mm. Now we have this line. So now we have entire thing has been completed. Now we need to name them. So to do that, then go to break this on this side and similarly break this on this side. Now click on this, you click on this. Here make that layer as XY. Now go to zoom window, then you come down to DDIM, then go to modify, go to primary units, make the precision as 0 and say OK and say close. Then you just go to dim and take int of this and take intersection part of this now. So here you will get 50. Then you just switch off this and go to int of this and take int of this now. You are going to get plus 25. Then go to angular, select between this line, dim, select angular between this line and this line. So you are going to get 40, and then angular between this and this. So you are going to get 30 degrees. Then again angular, select between this line and this line. So you go to text, so give space, and you are going to get this. Now you just dim TD, you select this 30 degree and you take it here, and similarly you select this and you take it here 40 degrees. Now we need to name them. So to name them, go to the text, select this, take the text height as 3, then the rotation angle as 0. So you take X, you take VP, and you take HP, and you take Y. Then you have a small letter A, B, C, D, E, and here it is O, and here it is O1, and then here you have O dash, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash in bracket, and here it is O1 dash in bracket. Then here it is E dash, and then go to move, you go to X, then VP, then HP. So here O dash, A dash, B dash, E dash, here it is O1 dash, here it is C dash, here it is B dash, then A, then B, then O1, O, here it is O1, here it is E, here it is D, here it is C. Once you do that, now you just go to and move Y. So now VP, A dash, B dash, E dash, O1 dash, C dash, D dash, O dash, go to layer, make this as front view, escape, go to HP, A, O, O1, D, C, B, and E, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then once you do that, then go to copy. So you take A dash and you copy it here. You take B dash and you copy this here, then E dash here, you take O1 dash here, then you take C dash here, then D dash here, then O dash here, then copy, you take A, then O1, then O, then B, then C, then D, then E, then O, then A, then O1, then B, then C, then D, then E, then here go to D text. So here you mark this as O dash. So here it is A dash. Here it is B dash. Here it is C dash. Here it is D dash. Here it is E dash. And here it is O1 dash. Then go to remove. Take O dash. Here it is B dash. Here it is A dash. Here it is E dash. Here it is B dash. And then C dash. Then here it is O1 dash. Then you just click on this and A dash and B dash. Go to layer, make this as print view. Then you just exit and go to go to M text. So you select this and you mark this as formatting. Go to symbol, select symbol. So you type small letter B, beta. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. So zoom window, this is your final solution. Thank you.